So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a photo collage in Picsart. So the first thing you want to do is open up Picsart. On there you will need to swipe down a bit until you find recent projects, and underneath you will see some tools like removing BG or background, adding text, AI enhance, and you can see the collage option on there. Click on that. Once you've chosen from your photo selection some pictures you want to feature in the collage, you can see a preview of it like this. You can choose the aspect ratios as well as layouts right next to them. After that, you can even choose color, background, border, and even the image itself, how you want it to be presented. So let's use it on a square. You can use it on a portrait, story, Facebook post, cover, post on Pinterest, even for X or if or Twitter, however you want to call it. So if it's in a square, it's going to look like this. If you choose the layout, you can see a bunch of other layouts are available. You can choose that. You can choose the color options. You can also see the background as well as borders. So there's really quite a few things that you can choose from when setting up your collage. You can click on the plus sign as well. So there's really so many things that you can do while you set up something like this. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Picsart or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.